Hello everyone. Have you ever noticed how a simple juice bottle can grab your attention instantly? It's not just the drink, it's the design, the colors, and the fresh fruit splashes that makes it look so appealing. In today's session, we will learn how to create eye-catching fruit can designs using 3D style images. To start with, I have few 3D fruit splash image and different flavors of fruit juice cans. Now zoom out the slide. Here we have 5 fruit cans, so select the last 4 fruit cans and drag it outside the slide. Increase the size of the first can, place it in the middle of the slide, duplicate the slide using Ctrl D, drag the first can towards the extreme left side of it, select the second can and keep it in the middle. Increase the size. Again, duplicate the slide using Ctrl D. Drag the second fruit can out of the slide and place the third fruit in the middle of the slide. Repeat the process till the fifth fruit can. Now go to the slide where we have placed the first fruit can. Right click, go to Format Background, click on Gradient Fill, go to Preset Gradients and choose Top Spotlight Accent 4. Select maroon shade for the 3 gradients tops so that it can matches with the fruit flavors. Go to 3D image, select strawberry, press Ctrl C to copy and paste it on the second slide by pressing Ctrl V. Increase the size of the fruit image, right click and send to back. You can adjust the size accordingly. Now go to the second fruit can, click on the gradient fill and choose violet color for the 3 gradients tops as we have grapefruit here. Paste a splash 3D image of the grape and send this to back. Repeat the process till the last slide. Now draw a text box, write strawberry, choose font Lucida calligraphy, font color white, font size 32 and make it bold. Give different fruit titles in the remaining slide. Now it's time to animate the titles. So select strawberry, go to animation, add animation and select zoom. Set the duration to 1 second. Start with previous. Now same kind of animation we will give to the other titles. So for this, click on strawberry, go to animation painter, double click on it and place the painter on the remaining titles one by one. Keep the painter back by single clicking on the animation painter. Now it's time to give the transition. So select second to sixth slide by holding shift key, go to transition and choose morph. Set the duration to 3.25 seconds. Tick on the box after 1 second. Go to last slide and untick the after option. Now click on the slideshow to see the results. Hope you have enjoyed watching the video. Please share the video ahead, do like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.